Welcome this video backyard patio makeover on a budget, transforming your backyard patio into a relax oasis. Do not have to de- break the bank with a little creative, some structure, plan, and a few smart pouch. You can give your outdoor space a budget friendly makeover that will impress friends and family. Here how to can a stream patio transforming without space or formatted. Access your space and set a budget. Before divide into any change, take a good look at your patio. Determine its stream such as its size or any exact functional like a bungalow or full and identity living that need important set a budget is crucial. Our space decision on the maximize amount your valve important and partition your space clean. The first step to any makeover into start space a choosy soft Swiss wash and fall and any overgrowing plants area. The patio remove any underused functional or decoration to create a free and over space. You are made to supplement at how much a thought, clean and rejective the area. Furniture and decor. Inside explain size furniture. Consider project palette can be turned into space set a coffee table with maximize effect and cost. Theme in weather resisting color to match your aesthetic. You can also create decoration plants by purpose. All consider use book for cushion and palettes. Look of budget friendly outdoor fabric and a purple indoor impacts Bertrand theme with waterproof salt. Second, hard stone and online marketplace and also great secure and affordable finish. Add some gardening. Plants are one of the most affordable way to elevate your patio look. Incorporating pots, plants, handbrake, or various gardening to add textile and live of the space. Natural plants to hen succulent are low maintenance other that arrange in most climates if you are on the task budget. Consider pepper plants for cuts or ask friends and family for space spade